Okay, Angela's utility function is x1 plus x2 whole cube. Her ICs are downward sloping parallel line. So utility is x1 plus x2 whole cube. Okay, let me do a monotonic transformation. Let me take a new function v, which is u to the power 1 by 3. This is a valid monotonic transformation because y equals to x to power 1 by 3 is a monotonic function, is an increasing function. So because y equals to x to power 1 by 3 is a monotonically increasing function, v equals to u to the power 1 by 3 is a valid monotonic transformation. Okay, so since this is a valid monotonic transformation, I can represent this utility function equally well with the help of another function v, which is x1 plus x2. The ICs of this function will be same as ICs of this function. It's just that the nomenclature will change. Okay, so let's construct the ICs of this thing. Suppose I'm constructing the ICs of this thing for 3 points. Suppose I'm constructing it at utility equals to 1, utility equals to 8, and utility equals to 27. Okay, so my first equation will be x1 plus x2 cube is equals to 1, which implies x1 plus x2 equals to 1. So this will be your utility level 1. Okay, next is utility level 8. So this equation will be x1 plus x2 cube equals to 8, which implies x1 plus x2 equals to 2. So this will be your utility level 2. Okay, now third equation will be x1 plus x2 cube equals to 27. So that is x1 plus x2 equals to 3. So this will be your utility level 3. Okay, on the other hand, let me draw V's ICs for 1, 2 and 3. Okay, so instead of the numbers 1, 8 and 27, what do? I take the cube roots of these three numbers. So I take 1 to power 1 by 3, 8 to power 1 by 3 and 27 to power 1 by 3. So what are the equations I get? So equation number 1 will be x1 plus x2 equals to 1. So the first level of V I am doing is 1. So x1 plus x2 equals to 1. So that will be this curve. Second curve will be x1 plus x2 equals to 2. So that will be this curve. Third curve will be x1 plus x2 equals to 3. So that will be this curve. So the curves are going to be the same. It's just that you will call v equals to 1, v equals to 2 and v equals to 3 here. So in the, sorry, u equals to 1, u equals to 8 and u equals to 27 होना चाहिए था यहाँ. Okay, so initially your utility levels were 1, 8 and 27. Now the utility levels become 1, 2 and 3. So it's the value of the utility which changes, but the shape of the ICs will remain the same. So even though you do a whole cube here, it's not like you will get cubic kind of things. What matters is x1 plus x2. So this x1 plus x2 will be basically downward sloping parallel straight lines. So this is also